Yeah, g'day. Just doing the finishing touches now to this. So what I'm doing here is just giving it a 1.5 mm gap. I've laid it to this so tomorrow morning when everything's fresh, I can just gently lift that out like so, and we're laughing. All my glue will be nice and dry. You give it a 1.5 mm. So you've got enough room. You don't want it super tight and then you can't get the bloody thing out. No, you don't want that. So give it a little bit of room, just with your clip there, and you're laughing. See the nice slope there, and you level all the way around, and it looks way superior to the other way that gets done. You know, you just have straight slope. No, that looks much nicer. I've made that, or that side, a little bit wider, if you can see that, because I've got the tile to go on there. Once I put the tile on, it'll be even. This is Chriso. I'm just gonna mix up some more glue, zap my straight edge out, lay that part, that half, easy. Another hour I'll be done, you know, that's it. And then tomorrow I come back and I zap the walls. I don't have to wait. It's nice and warm, so my glue is drying quicker. So I don't have to wait a couple of days. Through the winter, I had to wait a couple of days for it to go off, but now we're sort of like it's 30 odd during the day, and what is it at night, 15 or 16, so there's plenty of dry time. This is Chriso. See you soon. Stay tuned. See that? That's what you subscribe with, to see more of my videos and get involved and learn. Chicks as well. You can do it. Chicks can do it. See you soon. See how this floor is stuck down to the concrete and then it's raised up at the shower. A lot of people do that also, so it's flush with the carpet and they're not stepping up. It's not a bad idea when you haven't got a waste. It's not illegal to have a floor waste now. In bathrooms you have your floor waste for the shower, but not necessarily for the bathroom, because 9 out of 10 floors that get laid now are dead level and flat, because the tiles are, you know, large 6x6. Otherwise you've got splits all over your floor, and what's the point of having big tiles? Okay, we'll see you soon. Ciao. Hey everyone. G'day everyone. Yeah, I just had to check that the camera was going. Sorry about the flicker, but if I turn the lights off, I can't see a thing, so bear with me. I did the floor yesterday, had an early day, nice one. Now I'm into the walls, so I'll set up my laser level. I go up that wall in the same black tile, and then white on these walls here. Easy peasy, nice, quick, easy bathroom. I love it. You know, you don't have to be doing fancy shit all the time. You only think you're making money. It's jobs like this that you're able to do well and finish them off quickly and on to the next. See you soon. This is Chris O. Subscribe to my channel and you will learn heaps. See ya. And everyone, you just give your glue a little bit of a scrape, just like that while it's still green. Just like that. Just like that, folks. Doesn't take long. Because it's still green, everyone. If you leave it for a week or two, well then you've got a bigger job. I'll just pull them out, those ones there, I'll just pull out with a pair of pliers that haven't broken off. Sweet! Sweet as! Yeah, so that's it, see? Nice quick bit of a clean up. And we're laughing. See you soon.